What up, Minky Monkeys? Dave's back again. Now, I'm going to share something with you that I don't even know what it is yet. I'm going to look at it and we're going to discover this together. I have a vague idea of what it is, but without further ado, let's look at this. Let me share my screen and I will show you what I'm on about. Would help if I shared my screen, wouldn't it? Technical interlude. So what are we looking at here? So here we go. So, okay. My year with ChatGPT. So I've been using it for, I think I've had an account for a little while, a few months, maybe it's a year, I don't know. But, I've only been using it with regularity in the last few months. So this is going to tell me about my year with ChatGPT. So let's enable memory and see. It could be anything. I look at some really random stuff. So let's just, ask it some really random questions. So let's see what it's going to reveal, which could be rather telling about my viewing habits on the old internet. But let's not incriminate myself until I have reason to defend myself. Magic moments. Magic moments. My year with ChatGPT will arrive soon. We will notify you when it's ready. Okay. So, prediction, there's going to be a lot of stuff that, asking around how to do this, how to do that. Can you format this? Can you create? I created some really random image stuff throughout the year, which has been quite interesting. So yeah, I recreated my own CV or resume using random images that I generated using AI that may reflect what I am and what I'm about. I will share that with you at some point, and you can tell me whether you think it's good, bad, or other. I think other, and I think maybe that's why people aren't necessarily taking me. Again, you want to stand out, don't you? That's the thing when looking at stuff, when trying to engage people. So you have to go all out. For me, it's all in or nothing at all. So God, what was it? This enabling memory. It was all there as far as I'm concerned, but it's taking its time. Gathering my highlights. Ugh. Yawn, yawn, yawn. I might indeed just edit this part out or fast forward through it because it's just me talking. And whilst we wait for these magic moments to materialize at some point or another, shaping the story, imagining imagery. I love how this is all kind of, it feels kind of personalized without, it's kind of like a horoscope, isn't it? Oh, here we go. My year with ChatGPT, generated just for you. Let's begin. You shaped stories with grit and grace, turning deadlines to art at your pace. From Clankers&Kings to bold brand campaigns, you built worlds with words, no frame remains. Your craft, Dave, still lights up the place. Okay, yes, and what happened? Building creative systems. You shaped a workflow, turning quick ideas into visual assets. Okay, right, okay, this is good. Spontaneity with production level precision. Oh, I might even put that in my LinkedIn. That's cool. I like that. Expanding professional reach, put your agency into new regions and tenders, refining positioning, crafting compliant proposals, and blending creativity with strategic business development. Didn't I do well? Embracing AI as a creative tool. You explored how AI can amplify a copywriter's craft, experimenting publicly, turning lessons into content and sharing the humor and chaos of that learning. Again, it's just defining what I'm doing right here and now. So, I'll go with that. I might rob that a bit later. Thank you, ChatGPT. We'll see. Chat stats. 12. Wow, that's a lot of messages. Chattiest day was December the 19th. Okay, cool. M-dashes exchanged. I love an M-dash. Hang on, I did that many messages, but I see. Right, cool. Got it. 196 images generated. 13 chats. What's that from a message? Okay, right. First 15% of users. Well, globally, top 25 messages sent. Am I like some sort of? I don't use it a huge amount, but obviously I'm using it more than a lot of people, which is odd because you get the impression everyone's using it, but maybe they're not. What else we got here? Your chat style, direct, creative, and slightly irreverent. You mix wit, curiosity, and strategic clarity with the rhythm of a copywriter who thinks visually. Okay. So, things like make it more retro 80s. Yes, please. And I'll turn this into a video. Good shit, lollipop. make the robot sexier. Okay. I mean, yeah, that's kind of how I roll. So thanks for telling me what I already know. But no, you put it into words, which is nice. And it's nice to have someone else recognize that, even if it is a freaking AI. So there we go. Oh, if 2025 gave out of awards, you'd get most likely to turn a tender into a trailer. For somehow making RFP responses sound cinematic, existential, and a little bit rock and roll. Proof that bureaucracy can have swagger. Ooh, that's a bit nice, isn't it? I do like the sounds of that. That is interesting. Bureaucracy has swag. Giving, there you go. Again, another thing to put on CVs, resumes, LinkedIn. Putting, bureaucracy, endowing bureaucracy with swagger. Well, that's it. Vote for me. I'm going to be the next prime minister. Boom. Cool. Next. My archetype is a saucy dolphin. The producer. 20%. I mean, again, it's less than a quarter. So does that make me special? Special-ish. Yeah, I am special-ish. There we go. Cool. Thank you. Oh, creates across contexts and mediums. Uses ChatGPT to turn diverse ideas into tangible outputs. Well, that's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, well done. Thank you for understanding that. Practical doer and explorer. Okay, that's good. I can live with those things. Oh, still life with megaphone and keyboard, ChatGPT. Oh, this is what it thinks of me. Okay, I mean, that is not far off from what my actual desk looks like in many respects. I don't have a Game Boy or a tape deck. Or a lava lamp, but I have a cactus lamp. But a pixel tableau of creative chaos. A copywriter's trusty keyboard, neon megaphone, open tender brief, retro coffee mug, and a YouTube play button mid-glow. I mean, bang on. You've got me down to a T. What does 2026 hold for you? Wipe away the mists of the mystery and all will be revealed. How do I do that then? Oh, here we go. Oh. A camera, a scream, and a slightly frustrated grin might become your trademark scene. Oh, thank you, Mystic Meg. No, Mystic. It sounds a bit Mystic Meg. If you're British, you probably, and of a certain age, you might remember her. Oh, is there anything else to reveal here? Oh, hang on. Try another. Keep making things fast, then polishing slowly. Your best ideas arrive unannounced. Sexy. Let's try another. One more for luck. Keep mixing play with process. That's where your real work hides. Ooh, I think that's a good point to, I'm not going to try anymore. Let's see what else we got. Oh, thanks for chatting this year. Across the Drafts, questions, rabbit holes, you found a place to work things out. And that's no small thing. We'll chat about it, whatever 2026 brings. We will indeed. Help me plan my goals. What's the purpose? Oh, a long weekend trip. Generate a holiday card. Ugh. Okay, no, we're not going to go there. I think this is a good real summary of what my ChatGPT usage has been thus far and what it will be as we proceed into 2026 and beyond. Catch you next time, Minky Monkeys. Oh, look at my flickering finger. Ciao for now.